Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use filter in Excel. Friends, with the help of filter in Excel, we can organize our data and can find the required results. So to apply filter to your data in Excel, you simply need to click on the header row, the row which is having the heads of all the data, and after that you need to click on data, and in data click on filter. Now friends, you will see a little button on the header row. Now we will apply filter. For date, we can select data of particular month in a year. Now suppose if you want to see the data of March 2021, then you need to deselect all the data and need to click on this plus icon of 2021. Now here select March and click on OK. Now friends, it will show all the data of March 2021. Now suppose if you want to remove this filter, then you simply need to click on clear filter from date. Now like this you can apply other filter to your date heading. Like if you want to see all the data of 2022, then you simply need to deselect and select only 2022. Now it will show all the data of 2022. Now as we have applied filter in date and it is showing only the data of 2022. Now if we apply another filter in other heading, then it will filter the data of 2022 only. Now suppose we want all the entries of Delhi city, then we need to click on this filter button and here we need to deselect all the data and only select Delhi and click on OK. Now it will show all the entries of Delhi city in year 2022. So friends, like this you can very easily use your data as per your need by applying filters in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.